This is another one of my favorite steamed fish recipes. It is so simple, so flavorful, and so comforting. I'll be using preserved radish for this recipe. It is a very common ingredient in Chinese cuisine. We use it for stir fries, steamed dishes, and also dim sum. So let's get started. I'm using two types of preserved radish. This is the salty preserved radish, and I'm also using the sweet preserved radish. I have rinsed the preserved radish with water. Don't need to soak them because it's gonna dilute the flavor. I'm also gonna add some ginger, garlic, and some chilies to make the preserved radish sauce. And place the ingredients in a food processor. Preserved radish, the salty preserved radish, garlic, ginger, and chilies. Now pulse a few times. Okay, until they become tiny bits like this. Don't work on it too long because you don't want it to be a paste. Now you can also mince the ingredients on a chopping board instead of using a food processor. Here I have a few pieces of fish fillet. You can use any white flesh fish for this recipe. Just make sure you clean the fish thoroughly and also remove any red clots near the belly area. Then place the fish fillets on a heat-proof plate. Once the water is boiling, place the fish on the steam rack. Steam on high heat for about 6 to 8 minutes. Okay, add in the oil. Once the oil is hot, add in the blended ingredients. Saute on medium heat until you can smell the fragrance from the ingredients. At the same time, you know it's ready when it starts to pop. Okay, then transfer to a bowl. Okay, it's done. Let's see. Wow. Use a chopstick to poke through. If you can poke through the fish easily, means it's cooked. Now place the lovely sauce on top of the fish. Then garnish with some spring onions. Can't wait to try this. This is so good. I can literally eat the whole plate. I just love the sweet savoury cake and chewy texture of the radish. So flavorful, so simple to make, you have to try this. See you in the next video. For more recipes, do check out the link in the description box below.